Good morning, folks. This is David living Alabama life, and today we're gonna let these puppies out and chase a squirrel here. And hadn't done this in a while. Let's see what we can get out of these little old puppies now. Okay, we walking up to this pen. You reckon they might be ready to get out? Yeah, they ready to get out of that pen. Miss Peanut. There's Joy. And there's David's little male. Old Bo. He headed straight down there to the first tree. They got to get that play out of them real quick. They ain't been out of the pen in a while. We've been busy. Hadn't been able to do a whole lot on the YouTube stuff for a little while, but we can get back started, y'all. Just stay tuned and stay listening. Help us out. Yes, they got it. I done shot it out for them and got it hanging up there. And even the old lab thinks she's a squirrel dog nowadays. Yeah. Come here. Lacey, come over here and leave them puppies alone. Peanut, where's it at? Where's that, Bo? Yeah. Y'all get it? That's right. Get it now. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Get down, Lacey. Lacey. Good dog. Good dog. Good girl, Peanut. Good girl, Peanut. Oh, Joey. Cutting a pear flip. Watch it. Yeah. Good dog. Good girl, Peanut. Good girl. Y'all come on, get it. Look at that. Get that squirrel. Get that squirrel. There y'all go. There y'all go. Good dog. Go get him, Bo. Get him, Ruger. Show me something, Peanut. There you go, Joy. Get down, Lacey. Get him out of the way, Lacey. Get out of the way, Lacey. Yeah. That Joy is a pretty tree runner. Yeah. There you go, Bo. Speak to him, Bo. Yeah. Speak to him. Look at that, y'all. Yeah, that little old Joy dog just about climbed the tree. Yeah. Yeah. You youngins out there, y'all ought to all have y'all little old squirrel dogs to enjoy stuff like this with. I know a lot of you can't, but if you can, y'all ought to have you one. Y'all on YouTube now. Y'all better show out. Y'all better show out. Y'all better show out. Get them now. Get them now. That's it. That's it. Yeah. Y'all better show out. Get down, Lacey. Lacey. You get back, Lacey. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all like this kind of stuff, y'all please like and subscribe to Living the Alabama Life. Like I said earlier, we've been off the air for a little while, and it's time to get back and get this stuff a-rolling. We've got a lot of folks that told us they really enjoyed the stuff with these puppies, and we're going to get back after it. And deer season gone, turkey season will be about another month out, and we'll be getting back after it strong. Come here, Lacey. Peanut. Peanut, talk to him. Talk to him, Ruger. There's Ruger. There's Miss Joy. There's Peanut. And there's Brother Bo. Yeah, y'all get him. Y'all get him. Good dog. Good dog. Yeah. Yeah. Nothing to it. So where's that, Joy? Where you going? Where you going, Joy? I'm gonna back off down here away from them and just kind of let them have it on their own. Back down here where we can look at them, you know. Let them have it. See what they can do. Come here, Lacey. Get this Lacey Gyp. Get her away from them. They can't do nothing with her. She's so big. These old puppies, they're not even a year old yet, folks. Been showing promise since the very first time I brought them to the woods. Folks, what I did, they run a squirrel up. As soon as I let them out, they went straight and run one up. And I shot it out and let them have it. Now I got it tied on a string and just got it hung up above them. And that way they don't get used to grabbing it and running. If you let it on the ground, one won't want the other to have it. So you just kind of force them to do what you look for them to do. That's free. You know, they got one of them got the tongue hanging out now. That's it. Get it, girl. Good girl. Peanut, get that squirrel. Get that squirrel. Good boy. Good girls. Get him, Ruger. That's our girl. Good girl, Joy. Good girl, Peanut. Get that thing. Get that thing. Y'all know, get it now. Good girl, Peanut. That's what we talking about. Hey, get him, Bo. Get him, Bo. Good boy, Bo. Good boy, Bo. Yeah, that's a girl. Good. That's a girl. Good girl. Yeah. Trying to rain on me, folks. Thought it was gone. That's why I done this morning. A lot of scent on the ground. Figured they wouldn't take them just a minute to get one found. Which it didn't. When I took them out of the pen, they run just as hard. They must have been unseen, one that I hadn't seen, and ran it up a tree, which was a good thing. Yeah, all y'all got it. That's a girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Peanut. That's a good girl, Peanut. Good girl, Joy. Good girl, Joy. That's a good girl. That's a girl. Good girl. Good girl. Y'all get on that tree. Good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Joy. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a girl. Hey, 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 hey. Get it now. Get it now. Get it now. That's a good dog. Good dog. Good dog. Good dog. Look at that little dog, y'all. Yeah. I know y'all don't hear these two males doing much barking, but they when they do it by themselves, they pretty decent. Of course, now the little Gyp right there, in my eyes, she's something special. She's always been the leader of the pack. Right there, that's this Peanut. Little Joy. Again. And there's Bo. Yeah. And I'm fixing to have to get out of the rain. Folks, if y'all, like I said earlier, if y'all like this stuff, please like and subscribe. And for those folks who've been asking to see these dogs again, this ain't the last one, but living with Alabama Live, fixing to have to get out of this rain. It's coming down pretty good. Appreciate it, y'all.